make parenting with the WhatsApp or spy on the WhatsApp or relative, or you can use your WhatsApp with your PCs. Take the phone that you know the password of it. Just open the phone and then go to WhatsApp. First, go to the web browser, Chrome, like Chrome or anything, and then type WhatsApp web, and then log into it, and then go to your phone WhatsApp, and then click on the three dot icon, and then click on the link device, and then just scan the QR code, and then WhatsApp web on the PC browser. It will log in, and then you can check or manage your message or WhatsApp recording and message, pictures, videos, and everything. Even you don't have to download it from your phone. You can download it to all the media on the WhatsApp. You can download on the PC without seeing on the phone.